Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm honored to introduce my paper titled A Conceptual Model of Tauhid-Based Learning Through the Integration of Biomimicry and Engineering Design Process. This model aims to reconstruct Tauhid education into a more spiritual, scientific, and solution-oriented approach in response to today's educational and ecological challenges. This model is rooted in the belief that all branches of knowledge must be guided by divine values. As stated by Al-Faruqi and National Education Law, Tauhid is the foundation of Islamic education. Yet, current Tauhid education remains trapped in normative, dogmatic, emphasizing memorization rather than comprehension, limits student ability to apply Tauhid values in real life. Some view to link to exclusivism and radicalism. Speculative theology debates and fragmented practice often fails to address real-world challenges because stagnation, leaving Islamic education isolated from realities. As a result, Muslims have struggled to play a strategic role in addressing global issues such as poverty, ignorance, and ecological crisis. This shows the needs to reconstruct Islamic education from theory to human center that uphold dignity while preserving the divine essence by integrating intellect, spirits, and action. Research shows that this approach strengthens religious faith, motivation, critical thinking, Tauhid internalization, morally upright, and modern life skill. Biomimicry offers a powerful method of learning from nature, not only to protect it, but to use it as a model, measure, and mentor. It aligns with Islamic views that nature is the sign of Allah's wisdom and encourages responsible stewardship. Through biomimicry, learners see nature as both a spiritual and scientific teacher, while engineering design process provides a structured method to develop creativity and critical thinking through 5 steps as imagine, plan, create, and improve. It enhances contextual learning, character building, and scientific thinking, especially when integrated into Islamic education. Current Tauhid education has begun integrating science, but mostly to prove God's existence. It lacks pedagogical models that transform Tauhid into lived innovation experience. No existing research integrates both biomimicry and EDP into Tauhid education. This study proposed a new model addressing 3 core questions. How can biomimicry reflect Tauhid? How can ADP uncover divine values, and how can their integration enhance theological understanding in practical ways? This is a qualitative conceptual study involving literature review on Tauhid, biomimicry, EDP, and Islamic foundation, conceptual mapping of interrelations, and model development integrating divine values with pedagogical strategies. Biomimicry enables tadabbur on natural systems, revealing divine attributes and affirming God's presence, while ADP transforms these reflections into real-world solutions, refining our role as Khalifah and manifesting uluhiyah in action. The integration bridges knowledge and action. Biomimicry cultivates awareness, while ADP drives innovation, contemplation, and application. Biomimicry understanding natural laws, while ADP activating human potential. Mercy and wisdom. Biomimicry nurtures hikmah, while ADP channels Allah's mercy. The educational process unfolds in 3 stages. First, Makrifatullah, recognizing Asma Allah through nature via biomimicry. Second, Khalifatullah, transforming that insights into solutions via EDP. Third, Ubudiyah, internalizing our servant role in divine order. Tauhid education is built on 6 pillars: God as the absolute reality, Tauhid as the foundation of knowledge, nature as divine science, revelation guiding intellect, intellect as tool to solve problems, human as holistic being, and the Prophet exemplifies how to unite these values into action. This table shows how biomimicry principle reflects Tauhid. It highlights that creation operated with purpose, balance, and harmony, deepening awareness of oneness of God and interconnectedness of all creations. While ADP is not just technical, it becomes a form of worship when infused with Tawhidic values like Niyah, Jihad, Tawakul, and Khalifah. Every step of engineering, from problem to testing, reflects Tawhidic wisdom. Divine engineering connects senses, nature, and human creativity. Our senses are calibrated to read divine signs in nature, leading us to design with purpose and fulfill our role as Abadid and Khalifah. Just like engineered system, nature follows a guiding operation manual. Engineered operations by engineer, and nature by the Quran as the creator's manual, within divinely set boundaries and time frame. This integrated learning model consists of 5 stages: problem identification, biomimicry exploration, design process, implementation, and spiritual reflection. It promotes a holistic, spiritually grounded, and innovation-driven learning experience. Still, this is a conceptual model not yet field-tested. Future research is needed in field trials, assessment tools, education level adaptation, curriculum integration, cross-cultural adaptation. In conclusion, this model aims to revitalize Tawhid education by uniting divine revelation with innovation and sustainability. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.